Hello viewers, thank you for joining us again. Today's class is on logarithmic equation, and in this logarithmic equation we want to figure out the value of x. Okay, if this is your first time of seeing me on this space, I want you to sit back and enjoy. If you find value at the end of the day, please consider subscribing. I want to also appreciate one of my subscribers, Daniel, for his contribution towards this question. With that being said, let us dive into this question right now. Okay viewers, the method I will be using to simplify this question is the change of base method. So quickly, let me show you what change of base is all about. If I have log a base b, okay, I want to change the base to c. It now becomes log a base c upon log b base c. Now you can look at the other side of the equation. You see that we have a new base which is c, and we still sustain a and b as the argument of the logarithm. This is exactly how to change a base. Now, today's question we want to solve, I would like to use a new base which is 10. Okay, so in this case now we change this base to 10. So I'll have log x base 10 upon log 3 base 10 is equal to log 81 base 10 upon log x base 10. Now also remember, when a logarithm is written without any base, that logarithm is automatically in base 10. Okay, so now recall that this 81 can be written in powers of 3. Remember, 81 can also be written as 3 to the power 4. So I'm going to change this guy to 3 to the power 4. And also remember one of the laws of logarithm that says if I have log a to the power n base b, it's going to become n log a base b, as if to say this power will fall behind and you have this quantity. So that is exactly what's going to happen to this guy right here. So I'll have 4 log 3 base 10 upon log x base 10. Of course, we have log x base 10 upon log 3 base 10. Now the next thing you want to do here is to cross and you multiply. Okay, let us take away these guys from here. So the next thing I want to do is to cross and multiply. Log x base 10 multiply log x base 10. I'll have log x base 10 all squared, then equal to log 3 base 10 multiply 4 log 3 base 10. I'll have 4 log 3 base 10 all squared. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to square both sides. So if I square this, the next thing you want to do is to take the square root of both sides. So if I take the square root of this guy, and I'll take the square root of this guy, so I'll have plus or minus the square root of this guy. Okay, now the square will take away this root, so I'll have log x base 10 equal to plus or minus. Of course, in this case, you know this can also be written as the square root of 4 times the square root of log 3 base 10 all squared. Okay, so at this point the square root of 4 will give me 2, and yeah, this guy will cancel out this guy, so we have log 3 base 10. Now at this point we want to because of the plus or minus sign here, so I will have the solution for this question. So I will have this one to be the plus sign, and I'll have this guy to be the negative sign. So I'll have here to become log x base 10, okay, equal to 2 log 3 base 10, okay, for the positive one, and here for the negative one. So I have log x base 10 is equal to minus 2 log 3 base 10. Alright, now at this point I want to take 3 back to the power of 3, so I have log x base 10 is equal to log 3 base 10 all squared, because this 2 is going back as a power to 3, so you have it this guy. Now remember, this guy can take away this guy, and x is equal to 3 squared is just 9, so x is equal to 9. This is the first solution for this question. And for here you want to write log x base 10 is equal to log 3. This guy will go over to this side as a power, so you have negative 2 base 10, and of course log 10 base 10 will cancel log 10 base 10. So you have x is equal to 3 to the power minus 2 is the same as 1 upon 3 to the power 2, which will give me 1 upon 9. So these are the values of x in this logarithmic equation. I hope this is an easy method for you. If you have any question on this, please put it down in the comment section. I love you. and there's nothing you can do about it. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.